Okay, so your homework tonight is on 5.4, which is adding and subtracting rational expressions. Okay, so I'm going to start out here with number 2, okay, just because it's the first one on your page. And so what it says is I have two fractions. First one is 6 over 4m cubed plus, and then the second fraction says 2m divided by 4. Okay, so I do notice that I am adding these fractions. So in order to Okay, sorry, I got interrupted. Let me restart my thought. Okay, so I have two fractions and they have to be added. In order to add them, they need to have a common denominator. Well, I see here that this guy has a 4m cubed and this guy has a 4, so they're not the same denominator. So what we do is we come over here and we say, okay, what is the least common denominator that they need to have in order to match? So right here, this guy says I need a 4. And then m cubed, which are 3m. So I'm going to say 4 and an m cubed. Okay, that would give me what I need to match the first fraction. The second fraction, he already has the 4 part, okay, but he needs the m cubed part. So I'm going to say that this is the least common multiple. I don't need to add anything extra because I can make them easily become 4m cubed and match. So let's talk about this separately here for a second. This first fraction, 6 over 4m cubed. What do I need to give him in a fancy one in order to let him have this common denominator? Well, I actually don't need to give him anything. So I can actually just skip this entire step. I'm going to keep the 6 on top, and on the bottom I'm going to have 4m cubed. Okay, he already has the common denominator. Let's talk about this guy here. I have 2m over 4. So what could I do, add to him to make him be 4m cubed? Well, I'm going to add an m cubed top and bottom. Okay, there's my fancy one. So let's bring this over here and see what this gives me. If I multiply out the tops, I get 2m to the 4th all over 4m cubed. Perfect. It has the same denominator. What I'm going to notice right here is that I need to add whatever comes after. So I will put plus 2m to the 4th right here. So this is what it looks like so far as one big fraction, okay? So the goal was to get it as a common denominator, one big fraction. Perfect. What I need to do next is I need to do what we did in lesson 5.5, factor cancel, because this looks exactly like your 5.1 homeworks. So let's only deal with him. Well, what I can see is that the 6, the 4, and the 2 all have a 2 in common. So watch what happens if I undistribute a 2. I get 3 plus m to the 4th power all over. And here is well, I could break the 4 up if you want to see the 2 that I'm going to cancel. Okay, it's 2 times this set of parentheses. Okay, this 3 and the m to the 4th are stuck together. So I would cancel these two 2's out. So my final answer would be 3 plus m to the 4th. And I'm going to leave him in parentheses because he is stuck together, all over a 2 and an m to the 3rd power. That's as far as I can take this problem because there's nothing else to pull out of the top to cancel with what is in the bottom. Okay? So I hope that helps you on number 2.